First, connect the two halves of the handheld wand. If tight, wet the O-ring seals. Next, connect the hose to the wand end. Fill the reservoir with the desired temperature water. Place the reservoir on the floor to the right of the toilet if you are right-handed, and the opposite for lefties. Mount the pump to the reservoir and slip the intake hose into it. Connect the hose on the wand to the output of the pump. The wand holder bracket can be snapped into either side of the pump. You will see it used on both sides in this video.